Hangi doze nyezone tawa tamje pambe jone dunze be kwatam de la chaze lo are rawe gowe jengangzo penda de wa ma le jungwe jere zewa tenzi jazo shabe side bado tenjo chis. Good afternoon, Tashi Delek, respected Gishilas, and my dear faculty members. I would like to extend my warm greeting to each and every one of you. My name is Tenzin, and I am the host of today's program. On the behalf of organizing committee, actually in our team we have only two members. One is Kishi Nimowanchula, another one is me, myself. So on behalf of our team, I would like to extend my warm welcome to all of you to participate in this program. So welcome to the Social, Emotional, Ethical Learning Workshop. Of course, I would like to extend my hearty welcome to our guest speaker, Mr. Sundu Sambola. Would you please help me to welcome our guest speaker, Mr. Sundu Sambola? Please give a big hand to him. Thank you for being here with us today in our institution. Welcome to you, sir. So before we begin our first sessions of today, I would like to request Gishe Losan Janzila to deliver the introductions of our guest speaker. Thank you, Gisela, for your wonderful introduction. So now I would like to request our guest speaker, Mr. Sundu Sambela, to deliver his presentations. And meanwhile, I want to say that Gishe Nimowanchula and I will be here on the left side, and we will be assist to our guest speaker, trainer. We will distribute charts, papers, pens, marks, and if you need any help, we will be there to serve you. So that's all. Thank you. Have a pleasant time. Now we will begin our closing ceremony. We will keep a very short and simple closing ceremony. So first of all, I would like to request Principal Dr. Tenzin Pasanla to felicitate our guests of speakers by offering khatak and thanka. For your kind information for those who are not Tibetan, so white khata, white scarf, it symbolizes the purity, prosperities, and good luck. And also it means that we can meet one another once again very soon. Now I would like to invite our Principal Dr. Tenzin Pasanla to deliver the word of thanks.
Lord number two teshtile. Subject conditions.
Thank you, Dr. Pasanla. On the behalf of our organizing team, I would like to say a few things here. Firstly, that we will collect the PowerPoint from our guest speaker, and we will share you through email. And also, we will collect our guest speaker's email. In the future, if you want to contact, if you want to ask any questions, you can contact him directly. Then the third thing that, we have already distributed the feedback form, so please give it back to us. And please, fill up completely. This is what I wanted to say. Now, I would like to say that I have observed that each and every one of you, you have paid a genuine attention, and you have attained each and every sessions properly on time, and you have given your 100%, and also you have taken an active participate in this workshop. So thank you so much, each and every one of you. And I hope that you have already said that you learned something new today, and I hope that whatever we have learned from this workshop, it will help you a lot in many aspects in futures. So I can conclude that the purpose of workshop has been accomplished successfully. So thank you so much. And lastly, whatever the hard work that we have done, all of us, I would like to dedicate all the karma, positive karma, for His Holiness the Dalai Lama's long life and his return to the Lhasa Potala Palace. Okay, then we have a 3 days holiday tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and also on Wednesday. So I wish you a pleasant holiday. See you after 3 days. Thank you.